Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Freebie Friday. Yes, okay, so yesterday I mentioned I'm not certain what the heck I'm going to do, and I decided, yes, do the freebies because my other binder are savings challenges from my shop, and today is Freebie Friday, so let's work on the freebies. I did fill them up yesterday, so some of them haven't gotten anything at all. Oh man, we do need change, don't we? $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20 was what I had left to work with, and let's see here. 2, 4, 5. Let's do 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that helped a little bit. I don't want a bunch of 5s just because I don't have very much money. But what I will do is, should we? Let me just see what I've got here. 1 second. Okay, we worked our magic and got some change. It looks like we have $2 spicy in there. We'll go ahead and leave that there. And we are going to find my dice. There it is. You would think I would remember where I put it from yesterday, but it's that simple. Okay, we're going to roll the dice and see which envelope is getting $2. That's how we're going to work it today. Number 3. Number 4, number 5, number 2, number 5, number 1, oh, that's number 2. It's not number 1. There's number 1. Number 6, number 1, number 1. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm not certain all of them got love. So they all did. Yay. I wanted to roll the dice and see the amount I was going to put into the envelope or into each savings challenge, but you just got to have a little bit more money to do that. Our first savings challenge is from SilynthiaC Budget Creations, which is my shop with Cassie J. So we're going to put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 today. And this one is the pretty Mardi Gras set. So just so you know, all of our freebies are down below, and you can grab them. And it's not necessary to sign up with an email or anything like that. It's just go there, get to the Google Drive and print which savings challenges you want to use or digitally use them, however you choose. $2 going into our next savings challenge, which is from Sassy Beauty Budgets. I'll link her. My kids are being so loud, and I'm so sorry, but I think this is how it was yesterday. They were obnoxious yesterday as well. All right, we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that right? Yeah, $9 already. All right, so we've got $2 going into our savings challenge for Batty Bankroll, and love the ones that she made. So we got $2, 1 and 2. All right, we got $2 going into the Lucky You. This is just a savings challenge that I made. It's not anywhere. You're not going to find it anywhere. I mean, if you want it, I can email it to you, or, just let me know, but it's not anywhere. I was actually thinking about trying to make savings challenges for my members in my for YouTube, but I like the idea of everybody being able to have access to the freebies, and I think that's why I enjoy these savings challenges with Cassie J so much, because they're freebies, and I rely heavily on freebies because my budget is not set up where I can spend a lot of money on savings challenges. All right, so the next savings challenge is from S&C Budget Creations as well. $2, $3, $4, $5 is what we're adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In total, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and we've got $2 going into our last savings challenge, which is also from S&C Budget Creations. Now in total, we have 1, 2, 3, $4. I do need to go through these envelopes and get these letter books and put them into my letter book savings challenge. Some of you follow along and you know that I try to save the letter books, but I haven't been able to actually start working on that, pulling them out of here, but I will. I'm really trying to get that taken care of. I just realized I did not work on my monthly savings challenge. Oh, it's a freebie for the month of March and I didn't even work on it. Anyway, well, we got half the month left to work on some stuff. So, but that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.